How's it going, everybody? Clay with Clear Creek RVs here to show you the 337 RLS Grand Design Reflection. And one of the coolest things about this trailer happens on the outside. There's completely unobstructed pass-through storage with tons of space, super easy to clean. And on the opposite side, you have your universal docking station, the tire link system, and the Lippert one-touch auto level. Goodyear Endurance Tires, the interlocking brake system, and of course you got your awnings over those with the LED light strips, 2 awnings on this one. And of course this comes with a 1-year base warranty with a 3-year structural and 5-year frame. So a lot of really nice gold threads on the Grand Design Reflection 337. Come on in and take a look. On the interior of the 337 RLS, there's a lot of home features, some really great options to take a look at, and it feels really nice aesthetically in here. You have a tri-fold couch. If you want to bring people with you, you have the option to do that. You still have your theater seating, and across from your theater seating, you have your entertainment center with a fireplace, booth dinette with the chairs, and just a lot of other really great options on these. Really nice campside windows. And of course the kitchen. And in the kitchen you have your coffee bar hutch with tons of storage, all kinds of storage in here. Underneath is shoe storage. You got a space up here to put all your mail or your phone. It's got a charge USB and a USB-C. Some storage overhead, of course, with the pane behind so you can see what you're grabbing. And then a 12-volt refrigerator it's pretty large. Open this up, you can see tons of space in there. And on the opposite side, your freezer with your ice cube tray. Gotta have the ice. But in the actual kitchen, you got a large countertop surface here. You got your sink and your dry rack storage here. Full-size Furrion microwave, 3-burner cooktop stove, and oven underneath. And just large cabinets on the inside here. You could definitely put some pans, and you have a space here in the console for your trash. Where are you going to put your trash? It's the #1 question in all RVs. You got a bunch of space for it there. And one of my favorite features is the pantry. There's a large space in here for the pantry. And don't forget about the Travelify, which is the pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi service inside the Grand Design Reflection also. Y'all check out this primary room. Really, really cool. Lots of space in here for sleeping. And also, look at all the space in here. I mean, overhead shelf storage. You got some storage on the interior. If you would like to put a washer and dryer, you have that option for a stackable washer and dryer in this corner of the closet also. So you don't sacrifice by having a washer and dryer. You still have your closet inside. Guys, y'all check out this bathroom. Lots of storage in the bathroom. You have your medicine cabinet. Sink, of course, and then lots of storage underneath the sink and to the side. Inside the shower, you have tons of space in the shower. Really, really nice shower. Porcelain toilet, of course, is a golden thread of Grand Design. Heat ducts in the sidewall, and lots of really good storage on the left side of the shower also for your linens. Y'all come check this thing out at Clear Creek RVs, 5701 East Highway 80, or 24/7 at clearcreekrvs.com.